In all my years of caring for and teaching children, I have noticed that many kids eat the same things for their meals and they hardly ever want to try new foods or recipes. Not Sarah's babies. These babies eat everything. And that is because my sister Sarah is always challenging herself with new and innovative recipes. Today we are sharing a recipe that Sarah basically made on the spot: spaghetti squash pesto. You can find the ingredients and recipe steps in the description below. Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and tell us if you tried this recipe.
Hi everybody! Welcome to our cooking show.
My name is Eliza.
My name is Malia. What's your name? What's your name? She's crazy. This is Crazy Teresa and Silly Cece. Today we're gonna make one of Sarah's special recipes: spaghetti squash pesto. Okay, first step is we're gonna cut spaghetti squash. Can you bring that?
It's like a pumpkin.
Part 1, we're going to bake our spaghetti squash, and before we do that, we have to wash and cut our spaghetti squash in half and also cut off the ends. You're going to scrape out the seeds and the inside stuff. We're going to rub olive oil, salt and pepper, and garlic on the inside of the squash after that. Next up, we are preheating our oven at 350 degrees and putting the squash in there for about 1 hour. After an hour, take the squash out, making sure that it's cooked all the way through by poking it with a fork. Once you've made sure it has cooked thoroughly, you can scrape out all of the spaghetti squash from both halves. Second step is the sauce. So we're going to wash and cut collard greens and kale, making sure to remove the stems. Wash and cut 4 tomatoes and slice them into quarters. We are also going to mince 3 cloves of garlic. In a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon olive oil and garlic. When the oil is hot, add tomato paste and tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of each: oregano, thyme, salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, add the spaghetti squash. Fold the greens into the mixture and add the store-bought pesto.
Hey Elijah, 1 second.
After the kale has cooked for about 5 minutes, you and your babies will be ready to eat. This is one example of Sarah's many recipes. Her philosophy is to cook food for her babies that she would enjoy as well. She has done this since they started eating solids and continue to do so. If you would like to see more of Sarah's recipes, smash that like button and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.